Well, hi, everybody. I'm Lonnie Quinn for your day today. You maxed out at 45 degrees in New York City, 5 degrees cooler than the average. All right, tomorrow I think you're going to have a very similar day. 34 was the high temperature in Monticello. So expect waking up tomorrow morning, expect it to be on the cold side out there. You're going to have winds that'll make it feel, even colder for the next 24 hours. In terms of wet weather, weekend rain is in the forecast, but milder temps will be here by the end of your weekend as you get a little bit into the month of December. So you're waking up to a temperature reading of about 35 degrees in New York City, but it feels like 27 when you factor in the wind chill. Monticello feels like 18. Danbury, Connecticut feels like 23. Feels like 26 for Hempstead and for Seaside Heights. Those winds at around 7 o'clock in the morning are blowing for the most part at 30 miles per hour or stronger for everybody. And as you go through your day, it's the same sort of thing at around 3:30 in the afternoon, maybe even a little bit stronger, 35 miles per hour or stronger for just about everybody out there. So your temperature will read 45 degrees on the thermometer, but it's going to feel like you're in the 30s because of that wind chill out there. And again, those gusts, 35, maybe even 40 miles per hour. Skies right now, not giving too much in terms of precipitation, except, okay, here's the northern fringe of Sullivan. There's Ulster, Dutchess County. You've got some snowflakes around the Poughkeepsie area and the Kingston area as well. Some of that is going to drop a little further south into portions of the Hudson Valley. But overall, when you look at the big picture, here's your big spinning low right there, right around Portland, Maine. All right, so you see that situation. You also have to look around West Virginia, extending over towards Chicago, this batch of snow. And you're wondering, well, some of it must be slated for our area. Not true. This low is going to be moving up to the north and east. It's going to drag everything with it, I think, keeping it outside of our area. And I think a lot of that snow will be drying out as it moves through. So some drops a little further south. That stuff I showed you right now around, say, Poughkeepsie will drop a little lower into the Hudson Valley. Okay, but now watch for that West Virginia, Chicago action. It never really comes together. Watch this. The low is pushing up to the northeast like I'm talking about. It's just dragging everything with it. We don't really see too much precipitation out of that. I do think you're going to have pesky clouds out there for your day tomorrow, so it's a sun and cloud mix. You just can't get rid of all the clouds. How much snow do we pick up? Well, again, it's a small number for even the folks who pick it up, but Monticello could be seeing, half an inch to maybe an inch. This blue color, not too far away. Okay, that's not too far at all. That's 1 to 3 inches of snow. But places like Monroe, Poughkeepsie, a couple of tenths of an inch, Hackettstown, New Jersey, maybe a tenth of an inch or so. A little bit out there, so just know there could be some slick spots. If you look across the board, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, very similar days. Temperatures will be in the mid-40s, sun and cloud mix, and it's kind of windy or breezy each and every day. Saturday, you're 48 degrees, and there's a likely chance for rain late in the day Saturday. Could linger a little bit into the start of your day on Sunday, but by the time you get to the afternoon, I think that rain is long gone, and the temperatures are now spiking at around 55 degrees. You can keep it right here, everybody, or you can watch us on TV, CBS2 or WLNY 1055.